You know what I mean? If there's a family that could teach you how to get ready for the summer, it would be y'all. You know what I mean? So if y'all are with me, I'm jumping on this packing
All
stuff.
right. All
All
right.
Yeah.
right,
Okay.
I'm in.
All
I'm
right.
in.
Let's do it. Okay. All right. So we did it. All right. Here we go. Are you ready, Lindsay, to talk 60 seconds full out?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Ashley, can you pull up your phone and can we do a 60-second timer? And then I really want you to be super analytical with them. Okay. They only get 60 seconds and that's it. It's going to get cut off. If they don't say socks, we don't get socks on tour. Okay. So here we go. 60 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Five, four. Oh, that's three, two. My fingers are weird. One. Here we go. Boop.
All right, so everyone knows that the hardest part of drum corps is just beginning, right? Going to your audition camp, just starting out, going to your first season, making it to spring training. And a lot of people really just don't know how to begin. But there are a ton of resources and there are a ton of people who have done this that have a lot of experience.